This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build Toyota Supra Mk4 Lego only way. Start by sorting bricks by color and size, laying out the chassis plate, and gathering a brick separator and small tools. Keep a photo reference of the Supra nearby and follow steps slowly. Work on the chassis first, test wheel alignment often, and secure panels tightly. Relax, enjoy the process, and pause whenever you need to adjust pieces precisely. Build a strong chassis by layering plates and reinforcing with crossbeams for stability. Install suspension components and axle mounts, checking alignment so wheels roll straight and true. Use small Technic pins to lock joints and avoid wobble during handling. Once the chassis moves smoothly, attach drivetrain elements and fine-tune clearance for body panels. Take your time to balance strength with flexibility to keep the model durable and realistic. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like now. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs oddly well with building long-term projects and planning budgets for hobbies. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a copy if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Start mounting body panels from the rear, working forward to ensure consistent gaps and alignment. Add defining details like headlights, side mirrors, hood vents, and the iconic rear spoiler to capture the Supra silhouette. Use small tiles and slopes to smooth transitions and hide studs for a cleaner finish. Finish with custom decals or stickers for the right livery, then step back to inspect lines, symmetry, and whether doors or hood open smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.